everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am working on my lovely work in progress shine from Craftedly, but I am getting ready for Monster Mash. It's in the mail, it's on its way, you guys have to get it, but I have this kitted up and I need more storage. So what did I do? I went to my favorite storage place, Standard Direct from Amazon, and look what I got. The link is down below. They are currently doing a special right now in present time. However, if you're watching this in the way future, please check them out because they have deals all the time. So let me see what we got here. Okay. So the first thing is this lovely light pad container. Now I'm going to crinkle for a minute, so mute your phones. See what we got here. And it comes with a little light pad cleaner, glass cleaner. It's felt. What's fun is it comes in different like zipper colors. This is the pink one. So you can put some stuff here, maybe your trays, maybe some of your pens, and then in here, you put your light pad. Now, I got one of these a while ago. This looks like it fits in A4, which is the like 8 by 10 or 9 by 12 size. I got one of these from Standard Direct a while ago and gave it to my mother, and she absolutely loves it because it helps her not get scratches when she stores it. And then I got this 60 storage case in pink. Crinkle, crinkle. Beautiful. These stack really well. I have a purple one and a colored one. Currently, this is going for $20.99, but they also have a 25% off right now. So head over there. It's only for the next couple days, but you get one of those large trays that everybody really enjoys. You get a smaller tray, you get plenty of stickers, and what I love these round ones for is like your trash. Sometimes I stick a little piece of wax on the bottom and stick it next to me, and that keeps it from moving. But you get these two little trays. Let me put this sticker back. So there you go. All right, and then they give you some round stickers as well. These are the nice deep ones. And I'm super excited because I'm going to kit up my Monster Mash in this, and that way I don't have to worry with my shine. I can have both going on at the same time. So yes, this is fantastic, high quality. What I like is they screw on instead of snapping, and that way they don't fall off. You can label across the top using the labels they give you, or, you know, if you're given labels, like this is my Craftedly, you can put the label right on top like so. Sometimes I do it like this because when I have it sitting in front of me, I can see the sides. But these, and then they easily come off depending on the type of label you're using. But they do fit a lot in here. If you're using something like this, it fits probably 600 to 800 drills, just kind of like a half bag. Or it's 3 of the bags that you get from the Chinese stores. So yes, and I love how clear they are. They're perfect. So please go check out Standard Direct 60 grit diamond painting drill storage case, or the light pad storage case, which is really nice because it keeps it from scratching if you're pulling it in and out, in and out. For those of you who don't have a designated place that you keep your diamond painting out, that really helps. Also helps if you spill anything, keeping it protected. Yeah, because light pads are an investment. and it's good for traveling. So I can't wait to get my Monster Mash because I can't wait to get this up. Oh, they also give you the plastic tweezers in here. Those are good, I think, for miniatures or special drills as well. All right, guys, I am going to go finish some diamond painting. I would love to hear what you are diamond painting on and what color, if you could pick, did you want of the storage case. Comes in many different colors. Let's see here. There's pink. Let's see. There's a butterfly pattern, and then there's a 70 grid pattern on their site as well. So you can check those out. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.